Today we're at our Cove City, North Carolina facility. This is where we house most of our tropical hardwoods. We import this from Africa, from South America, from Central America. We bring it in through a couple of different ports here on the East Coast. Probably 90–95% of the lumber we import is air dried. We prefer to do our drying here in order to ensure that it meets the 6 to 8% requirements for the U.S. market. We stock approximately 20 to 25 different species. Our main species is Baillie. We do African mahogany, genuine mahogany, and like I said, another 18 or 20 different species. Some of our canary wood from South America. This is typically used for custom cabinets or custom flooring. As you can see, it's short lengths. It's 3 foot and longer. Here we are with some of our 16-quarter genuine mahogany. Our genuine mahogany is 100% from Mexico. This is our 4-quarter Baillie inventory. We typically keep 100 to 150,000 feet of 4-quarter on the ground. We keep quarter sawn and flat sawn stock. We stock Baillie also in fixed widths in 6-inch and 8-inch. On top of the quarter sawn and flat sawn, we can accommodate any kind of different grading requirements our customers have.